Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 6th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. United Nations Russian Language Day is observed annually on.
Answer is 6th June. The United Nations Russian Language Day is observed annually on 6th June. It is one of the 6 official languages used by the United Nations throughout the organization. The day was established by the UNESCO in 2010. 6th June is chosen as UN Russian Language Day as it coincides with the birthday of Alexander Pushkin, a Russian poet who is considered the father of the modern Russian language.
Question number 2. Who has received the ICC ODI Player of the Year 2023 award?
Answer is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli has been honored with the ICC ODI Player of the Year award for 2023. With this, he became first person to win the award for a record 4th time with his outstanding performance in 2012, 2017, 2018 and 2023. He played 27 ODIs in 2023 and added 1,377 runs to his overall tally. He played with an average of 72.47 and a strike rate of 99.13. The Indian stalwart notched 6 centuries and 8 50s in the 24 innings he played with a best score of 166.
Question number 3. Which country has recently launched its first space agency, CASA?
Answer is South Korea. South Korea plans a Mars landing by 2045, investing 100 trillion won in space exploration. President Yoon Suk Yeol announced this at the launch of the Korea Aerospace Administration, CASA, which aims to boost South Korea into the top 5 space powers. CASA will support the aerospace industry with the first lunar lander planned for 2032.
Question number 4. Which number series was introduced by Center for making service or transactional calls?
Answer is 160 series. The Center has introduced a new numbering series, 160 series, for making service or transactional calls. This move aims to help citizens easily identify legitimate calls and curb unsolicited voice calls from telemarketers using 10-digit mobile numbers. Currently, 140 series has been allocated to telemarketers for making promotional service transactional voice calls.
Question number 5. Which Lok Sabha seat has set a record for the highest votes secured by Nota in 2024 elections?
Answer is Indore. The Nota, none of the above, option, received over 2 lakh votes in Indore. This marked a new record for the highest votes secured by Nota, counting for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections took place on 4th June 2024. Congress candidate Akshay Kanti Bam withdrew his nomination on the last day and joined BJP. The Congress party then urged voters to choose the Nota option. BJP candidate Shankar Lalwani won Indore seat.
Question number 6. How many seats did Indian National Congress, INC, win in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections?
Answer is 99 seats. The results of the Lok Sabha elections 2024 have been officially declared by Election Commission of India. The Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, has emerged as the single largest party victory with 240 seats. The Indian National Congress has secured 99 seats, reflecting a significant opposition presence. The Samajwadi Party, All India Trinamool Congress, and Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam have shown strong performances with 37, 29, and 22 seats respectively.
Question number 7. Who has become 7th company to cross 8 lakhs rupees crore market capitalization?
Answer is SBI. India's largest commercial bank, State Bank of India, SBI, has become the 7th listed company in India to reach 8 lakh crore rupees in market capitalization. The shares of the State Bank of India hit a new high of 899 rupees and 55 paise on the BSE on 3 June 2024. SBI joins the ranks of Reliance Industries, Tata Consultancy Services, HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, Infosys, and ICICI Bank in achieving this milestone.
Question number 8. Who has launched the Sarthi 2.0 mobile app?
Answer is SEBI. On 3 June 2024, the Securities Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has launched the Sarthi 2.0 mobile application on personal finance for investors. The app introduced a user-friendly interface with comprehensive tools, which aims to simplify complex financial concepts. By using this app, investors can buy and sell shares on stock exchanges.
Question number 9. Paraprothrachina neela, a new blue ant species, was discovered in.
Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Researchers have discovered a new ant species named Paraprothrachina neela in Arunachal Pradesh's remote Siang Valley. The name Neela, which signifies the color blue, in most Indian languages, was derived from its unique blue coloration. This discovery marks the first new species of Paraprothrachina in 121 years. Currently, Paraprothrachina encompasses 38 valid species and 4 valid subspecies.
Question number 10. Kedar Jadhav, who recently announced his retirement, belongs to which sports?
Answer is cricket. India and Maharashtra batter Kedar Jadhav has announced his retirement from international cricket. The 39-year-old, who made his international debut for India in November 2014 during an ODI against Sri Lanka at Ranchi, went on to play 73 one-days as well as 9 T20 internationals. Kedar Jadhav scored 1,389 runs at an average of 42.09 with 2 centuries and 6 50s for India in 73 ODIs. He also made 122 runs in the 6 innings of the 9 T20 internationals that he played.
Question number 11. Who was appointed as the acting chairman of the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC?
Answer is Vijaya Bharti Sayani. Vijaya Bharti Sayani has been appointed as the acting chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, NHRC. He replaced Justice, retired, Arun Kumar Mishra, who completed his tenure on 1 June. Arun Kumar Mishra served as the 8th chairperson of the Right Panel and was appointed to its top post in June 2021.
Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Deen Dayal Port Authority?
Answer is Sushil Kumar Singh. Sushil Kumar Singh, an Indian Railway Service of Mechanical Engineering, IRSME, officer of the 1993 batch, has been named the chairperson of Deen Dayal Port Authority. He takes over from S.K. Mehta, who completed a 5-year term in April. Deen Dayal Port Authority runs India's second biggest state-owned commercial port.
Question number 13. Who has been honored with the Hindi Sahitya Bharati Award 2024?
Answer is Krishna Prakash. Krishna Prakash, renowned as the head of Mumbai Police's elite counter-terrorism unit, Force 1, has been honored with the prestigious annual Hindi Sahitya Bharati Award. The recognition was bestowed during the Sab Mein Ram Shashwat Shri Ram Multicultural Festival in Mumbai. Krishna Prakash is a two-time Guinness World Record holder who achieved his third this one for initiating the maximum number of letters through postcards to Lord Ram, enabling the common man's direct connection with the divine.
Question number 14. Who has been chosen for the Gudleppa Hallikeri Award for 2024?
Answer is Siddhalinga Pattanshetty. Poet and playwright Siddhalinga Pattanshetty has been announced as the recipient of the Gudleppa Hallikeri Award for 2024. This declaration was made by the Gudleppa Hallikeri Memorial Foundation, based in Hosritti, Haveri district. Siddhalinga Pattanshetty becomes the 19th distinguished individual to receive this honor, as stated by Veeran Cheki, trustee of the Gudleppa Hallikeri Memorial Foundation.
Question number 15. Who was crowned the Indian Open of Surfing, IOS, champion in the Men's Open category?
Answer is Ajish Ali. The 5th edition of the Indian Open of Surfing, IOS, was held from 31st May to 2nd June at the tranquil Sasihitlu beach in Mangalore, Karnataka. Ajish Ali, who competed in the Paris Olympics qualifiers last year, was crowned the new IOS champion in the Men's Open category. Teenage sensation Kamli Murthy completed a double victory by winning both the Women's Open and Groms Girls and Under-16 categories, successfully defending her titles. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.